Hello, my name is Stefan from Ciblu-software. In the further video files we explained several functions of Ciblu-backups, and now the last function is the restore. From the home screen we click on Restore. Ciblu-backups is looking for the source files, as we also added several cloud accounts. This takes a short moment for the program to see if we want to restore a backup from the cloud, but we now select the hard disk drive, and here is the destination where the backup will be restored. I click on continue. There already is some kind of data, and this might be overwritten for this test. This is okay. I click on yes. And restored successfully. Thanks for watching.